Unpacking Agenda 2030 and the SDGs. As you are no doubt well aware, the 2030 Agenda has set the global development agenda for the next 10 years, identifying and stimulating crucial areas of action for both humanity and our planet. Now, as local and regional government practitioners, I think it's really important to understand the principles and the dimensions of the 2030 Agenda in order to effectively localize it in our respective towns, cities, and regions. The 17 SDGs and 169 related aspirational global targets are very action-oriented, global in nature, and universally applicable. They are comprehensive in their scope and they cover all the policy domains that are essential for sustainable growth and development. Interestingly, they are also very strongly interconnected. Progress in one area spills over into other domains. The SDGs require coherent policy design as well as implementation and multi-stakeholder engagement to help many different actors reach their shared objectives. Now, there are three concepts that we need to understand about the linkages between 2030 Agenda, the SDGs, and decentralized cooperation. Firstly, the SDG principles. These are based on experience, multi-dimensional approach to sustainable development, leave no one behind, global in nature, universal nature, integral nature, and inclusive. Secondly, localization. You see, the effective implementation of SDGs will largely be dependent on our ability to realize them in our own cities and regions. All of the SDGs have targets that relate directly to the mandates of local and regional governments, given our responsibility around basic service delivery and local development. It's for this reason that we have to be at the heart of 2030 Agenda, cities and regions that are well suited to translate Agenda 2030 into more concrete and tangible actions. Moreover, they can work closely with their citizens to engage them and ensure they understand how local action contributes to the achievement of global goals. Now, whilst all 17 goals have an impact on cities and regions, it may be useful to pay particular attention to SDG 11, which focuses on sustainable cities and communities. Thirdly, SDG 17, a global partnership for sustainable development. In a nutshell, SDG 17 is about the need to form global partnerships in order to pursue sustainable development. The traditional one-to-one partnership is really being replaced by multi-level, multi-stakeholder key partnerships that bring together all of the stakeholders across different levels, across borders, and across sectors to really effectively address local challenges. So remember, of all the tiers or spheres of government, it's LRGs, that's us, that are in an ideal position to encourage and facilitate partnerships between private bodies, public bodies, and civil society within our communities. We hope that this summary has helped unpack the principles and the important dimensions of Agenda 2030 and how we, as local and regional governments, can really make a difference.